back to my kitchen. It's Veganuary, day 26. So tonight we're going to have Mexican.
Yay!
I don't know anything about Mexican cooking, but I know what I like, and I do like this. So we're going to be using my favorite ingredient today, and that is soy curls.
Woo!
Love these. They are so convincing.
And so easy to prepare.
Very easy. They come freeze-dried like this, and you just add water, flavored water. So, did I even tell you what the recipe was for?
No.
It's taquitos!
Yeah!
Love it. Alright, so I'm going to be using some Better Than Bouillon. Whatever you put on the soy curls is what they're going to taste like. So this is going to give it a little bit of a meaty flavor. I'm just going to do like 1 cup of bouillon, so that's just like a teaspoon. Maybe a little bit more. And then I'm going to mix this up with some hot water. I like slopping things up. Whoa!
Uh-oh.
Having a little problem here.
A little bit.
It's all good though. Whoa, that's not good.
Oops.
That smells so good. Now we're cooking. Alright, just mix this up. Keep giving it a stir every 5 minutes so that the ones on the top also get included in the party. And we'll check back after these soak it up. It's only been a few minutes, but you could see that this has really soaked it up. There's a little bit of liquid left on the bottom. You don't really need that. But we're just going to shred it up. I like to do this by hand because I tend to go a little overboard in the food processor, and then it's going to turn into a puree. So it's just better to have it turn out like this. So it's just really easy. You just go over it.
Ooh, those curls already smell so nice.
They are delicious. So you just shred it up till you get through the whole bowl, and then we'll add all of the seasonings. Everything is all chopped up, and we're ready to add our seasonings. I like to use my own homemade taco seasoning, so I'm doing 1/4 cup, 4 tablespoons. I'm also doing about half of a lemon, which is also about 4 tablespoons. The taco seasoning, I'll put a link in the bottom bar so you have easy access to it. Okay, once we get those mixed in, we're going to add a can of vegetarian refried beans. I like to add this for extra protein, and it's going to help everything stick together really well. Yes, I know it looks like dog food when it comes out of the can, but it tastes really good, and it's good for you, and this is very low fat. So we'll just get this mixed together, and then we'll be ready to roll. Alright, those refried beans actually had 0 grams of fat. So it's not just low fat, it's no fat. My husband pointed that out to me just now. Alright, so we're going to take some white corn tortillas. These say they're really super soft. We'll see. If you have a problem rolling them, just pop them in the microwave under a wet paper towel for a few seconds, and it should soften up and be easier to roll. So we're going to take a big spoon of the filling. Not too much. It's probably a lot, but
that's a lot.
I don't know, it's not too bad. Alright, so it's a little bit fatter. It's a big fatty, okay? It's fatter than the average taquito.
Don't be a fat one.
No!
I like this to use the refried beans because the filling can go right to the edge and not fall out. So I've sprayed my... Hey, get out of here. I've sprayed my foil with some avocado oil. I put it in my misto, and it works really well that way. And my toaster just said, I am ready to be filled. So hurry up and roll those because I want to cook your dinner. Let's get all these rolled up, and then I'll show you what to do before you pop them in the oven. Alright, they're mostly rolled up. I still have about 1/3 of the mixture left. That's okay. This pan is kind of small because my toaster oven's kind of small. But if you use your regular oven, you could probably get them all on one sheet. So I'm going to pump up the volume here on my avocado spray. It's avocado oil that I put in here. If you don't have a misto, you can just brush some on. This is traditionally fried. I'm not about that. I'm not going to fry it. I also have a coconut spray here, coconut oil. You can also buy avocado oil spray in a can like this, but I got this one that my dad gave to me, so I'm just gonna take a million years to spray this because
You gotta keep pumping it up.
You gotta keep pumping it up. So you just want to make sure that you got a good coating on there. You don't want it soaking on there, but you just want to make sure that you got enough. And then we're going to pop this in the oven at 375 until it looks amazing. Don't know if that's going to be 20 minutes or half an hour. I guess we'll figure it out when it comes out. All right, there they are out of the oven.
Holy
I've taken
crap.
the liberty of plating it up here with some rice, some cilantro, some yellow sauce, some tomato,
is spectacular.
some cashew cream, well, cashew sour cream.
I cannot wait to try this. I just want to... Okay. You could just pick it up and bite it. But
Well, yeah.
I am a loser. Okay.
Get everything?
Yeah. Wow, I'm really excited for this. Mmm.
Turn her around. Don't let her look at me.
What?
Is it good?
So good.
All right.
This is one of my new favorite dishes.
I guess we're going to have this all the time now.
Wow. Try it. You just earned yourself a spot in the good place. Oh no!
You know what? I'm just going to pick it up. Let me eat this first. Mmm.
Right?
Whoa!
It's so good.
When all of the flavors mingle together, that's amazing. Wow. I hope you give that a try. That tastes like I'm eating a piece of chicken. Did you get that? Whoa. Even I'm impressed. I'm amazed at myself. Whew.
Good job,
By the way,
Puzzleton.
yeah. By the way, that was in the oven for half an hour exactly. So I really hope you give this a try because it was so simple. I mean, I literally threw it together in almost no time at all. Let us know what you think. Thumbs up for more videos like this. And until next time, much love.